Hey everyone, David here, and I'm coming to you from Pasadena City College. And the LA County George Gascon is officially asking a judge to resentence Erik Lyle Menendez for immediate parole, which I'll give you my thoughts on that in a moment. But first, I will tell you what George told reporters, as TMZ know it. LA County District Attorney George Gascon just announced he will ask a judge to free Erik. By the way, if you hear Gascon, I apologize. LA County District Attorney George Gascon just announced he will ask a judge to free Erik Lyle Menendez, the two brothers convicted of murdering their parents. Gascon told a jam-packed room filled with reporters and cameras he will go to court Friday to file for the resentencing of Erik and Lyle based on their ages at the time of the crimes. He will recommend they should be eligible for parole immediately. This means if a judge signs up Friday or later, a parole board will decide if the brothers should go free. Gascon said he believes resentencing is appropriate because Erik and Lyle don't represent a threat they will commit another crime. He notes Erik was 18 and Lyle was 21 when they killed their parents, and underscored they were very young, although he says he's not excusing their behavior. Gascon says despite their life while parole sentence, they have been rehabilitated. He says they have been moral sentences behind bars and have earned his decision. He says they have paid their debt to society after 35 years. Gascon referenced a recent documentary that spiked public interest in the case, and he said that interest made him to decide to accelerate his decision. A hearing had been set for late November. That's interesting because Gascon is up for re-election November 5th. When asked directly about that factor during Thursday's press conference, he declined to comment. However, it's interesting to note he did not issue a denial. Various Menendez relatives were among the crowd as Gascon made his announcement. Gascon said there was internal conflict in the DA's office over his decision. Some felt the brothers were not molested and should stay in prison. Thursday's news conference comes after Gascon announced earlier this month he was re-evaluating the case after UN was presented. And later, Erik wrote to his cousin Annie Connell months before the murders, in which he says his father Jose was still molesting him. The case also received another yoke after Roy Roscaillo, a former member of the band Menudo, claimed Jose had sexually abused him. Roscaillo's claims line up what Erik and Lyle said about their father during the first trial. That trial ended a hung jury, and the judge prohibited them from presenting the claims in the retrial. In 1996, both brothers were sentenced to life in prison without the parole of the 1989 shot-down murders of their parents. Currently, the brothers' next court date is November 26, just 2 days before Thanksgiving, in which their family says they hope the duo can attend. More than 20 members of their family, from both their mothers and father's sides, appeared at a press conference just last week, activating their release. On the other hand, a reporter who covered the first trial told TMZ he thinks the brothers should remain in prison for life. Multiple celebrities like Rosie O'Donnell, Kim Kardashian, and the actor who played Erik in the Netflix series Monsters, Cooper Koch, have also activated the release recently. Now, here's my thoughts. Overall, this is good news for the Menendez brothers because now they're one step closer to freedom. Now, I will give you a couple of talking points that George said during the press conference. Like one, he said, based on their ages of the crime, which he recommended they should be eligible for parole immediately. And also another talking point that George said, which he believes resentencing is appropriate because Erik and Lyle don't represent a threat they will commit another crime. And also another thing that George also said during a press conference that he noted Erik was 18 and Kyle was 21 when he killed her parents, and underscore they were very young, although he says he's not excusing their behavior. And another thing that he said, there was internal conflict in the DA's office over his decision. Some felt the birds were not molested and should stay in prison. Now, I agree when George said, if you get abused, call the police and seek help. So now the Menendez birds are one step closer to be free from prison. Alright, so everyone treat each other with respect and stay at home and subscribe to my YouTube. Goodbye everyone.